already and I haven't opened it yet. Good morning, everybody. Today, I finally got my play button. Oh my gosh, I cannot contain myself. I had been waiting for this for a long time. But I finally got it. It's right over there, you guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm shaking right now. I don't even want to open it.
You just want to look at the box, don't you?
Settle down. Find my zen. Relax. Find my zen. The zen is your office. My zen is my office, but it's so messy right now. Should we do the unboxing in the office?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we are going to do the unboxing in my sewing room. See you there.
Everyone, and welcome to Sew Aldo. Today I have a very important unboxing video for all of you guys. So this has been 10 years in the making, and I am finally getting I finally got my YouTube play button. I am so happy and it's making me emotional. I've been working really hard on this channel. I have been sewing like crazy, and today running out of ideas, trying multiple things here on my channel, and finally I got my play button, and I'm super happy about that. And yeah, I just don't know what to say. I'm speechless. But before we open it, I just want to say thank you to all of you who has been supporting my channel, watching my videos. You guys are so awesome. If it's not for you, I will not be able to get this award button. So thank you so much to all of you guys for subscribing to my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you. So with that being said, let's just open this! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's open it! Let's open it! Okay, let's open it. Who's going to open it? Okay. All of us. So that means I open it? No, this means that it's like one of those tournaments.
Okay.
So that you're out.
Okay, I'm out.
That was it.
Again. Ooh, okay. Okay, so Abby will open. Okay. 1, 2,
3.
Oh, okay. So so there is another one. Okay, so towards Abby. Towards Abby. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there is a note here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Packaged by Rick. There you go. Okay. So this is just a letter. This is it, you guys. Okay. Okay, there it is. There is the button, you guys. So this is the play button. I covered my name for privacy reason, but here it is. It is super nice. It is well made, and at the back I can actually hang it up on the wall or just like lean it against the wall or whatever I want to do it. But here it is, you guys. I have my play button. I just love it. I appreciate it. So thank you so much, you guys, for supporting my channel. I appreciate every single one of you.